You should have received your April kit. I think you guys are going to really like this one. I'm going to start by gluing my stand together using the glue provided. And you want to make sure that everything is nice and even and lined up. I'm going to lay down my painter's tape, sticky side up, and start dismantling my pieces. I'm going to put all the flowers together as they're going to be all painted the same color. There are two more flowers that you're not seeing that I did paint later on. They also will be white. And I'm going to start by taking the snow owl and hitting the rim of the birdhouse, the upper trim, the center trim, and all the flowers. And like I stated before, there's two more flowers that are going to be painted white. I don't know why they're not in this frame, so I apologize for that. All the flowers are white. I'm going to go in with my dried thyme and I'm going to hit my vine. The little greenery sticking out of this trim that's going to go underneath the roof trim. Then I'm going to paint all the leaves sticking out of this bottom portion as well in the dried thyme. Then I'm going to take some black and I'm going to hit the post from the birdhouse. And I'm going to hit down the center just in case you're going to see this. We do have flowers that are going in this area. And then I'm going to hit my little small round piece of wood. And then the circle that's going to be the entryway to my birdhouse, also in the black. I'm going to go back to my snow owl and hit this bottom trim to my birdhouse. I'm going to take the black and I'm going to paint the stand. Then I'm going to take Republic Red. I used the sponge that had the black on it already. I just kind of like the vibe that it gave me. And I'm going to paint my birdhouse in the red. And you don't have to be careful about the paint going over because you're going to fill some of these areas in with some of the trim. I'm going to take my bright yellow here and I'm going to do the center of all the flowers. I did use an art brush. We did send an art brush the last month, and that's a perfect size for this. If you didn't get that, it's just a small art brush. I'm going to paint my bird in the vintage blue. I'm going to take black for the eye. And then I'm going to take some snow owl and go around the edge of my bird and his wing. And this is just going to bring interest to my project. I'm going to take the white and go around the edges of my greenery. And I did it on the greenery that's sticking out of the roof line and the base of the birdhouse stand. Now I'm going to start putting my roof line on. This is two parts. The first layer is the one with the greenery. You just want to make sure everything's lined up. This glue adheres quite quickly. So you always want to make a plan before you start putting things down, because you probably will not get it back up without breaking your project. So I just do dots of glue. I don't do tons of it. And now I'm doing the top roof line. I'm going to flip my birdhouse over, and I'm going to put some glue around the hole of my birdhouse from the back side, and I'm going to take this square piece and glue it to the back. And then I'm going to glue my black circle into the entryway of my birdhouse. And then I'm going to take my white trim that goes around that black circle and glue that down. Again, just dots of glue is sufficient. Now I'm going to take my bottom white trim and glue that to the base of my birdhouse. I'm going to put some glue on the back of my bird, the lower portion of his body, and glue him to the right side of my bottom trim. Add his wings. And you want to make sure you lay him far enough to the right so you can get your vine on, because that's going to go to the far left. Always make a plan before you add your glue. I'm going to glue my vine down. I'm going to glue my small two flowers to the top right of my roof line by the greenery. And then my other two small flowers on the vine on the birdhouse. Then I'm going to glue my large flower, and you're going to want to put it where the greenery is sticking out, and make sure you don't go too far down, because we're going to have to fit that bottom tab into our base. These are the two flowers I forgot about in the beginning. I'm painting them white and hitting the centers with that yellow. Now I'm going to add my layers of flowers to that bottom floral area, and you want to make sure that you have a plan and you make sure that your flower is positioned correctly. There is a correct way to add the flowers so that they line up with the bottom frame. I'm going to put my little black peg here underneath the hole of my birdhouse. And now I'm going to glue that trim. See this trim at the bottom? That's why you don't want to make sure you don't put your flowers too low, because we're going to do the front and the back, and we're going to stick the birdhouse into that bottom base. We're going to hold it for a few seconds, and here you go. I really hope you enjoyed this month's kit. Thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you next month.